Hi everyone, we're going to show you how to apply and remove our best-selling cosmetic coloured lenses. Our contact lenses are fun, safe and easy to use, and there's just a few things to remember. Make sure you always take your lenses out at the end of the day before bed, and don't wear the lenses any more times than the intended usage stated on your box. So when you're storing your lenses, always rinse with solution before wearing and before removing. When inserting and removing your lenses, it's also really important that your hands are clean, washed and dried. Start by removing your lenses carefully from the case, ensuring they don't rip or tear. Then place the eyewear onto the tip of your index finger, ensuring that it has a natural bowl-like shape facing upwards. Gently hold down your lower lid with your index finger and carefully place the eyewear onto your eye. Be slow and gentle with your movements. Then carefully release your eyelids and blink. You can gently massage your eyelid to centre the accessory. When you are sure that your eyewear is comfortably inserted, simply repeat the procedure for the opposite eye. When removing your lenses, start by looking upwards and holding down your lower lid. Slowly and gently, using any finger, slide the eyewear down to the white of your eye. Gently pinch the contact lens from your eye, taking care not to pinch too hard. You can then repeat this for the other eye.